Panini. It was nice though.
What was it?
Yeah, it was quite surprising.
I'm going to do the next
Filling too.
No, it's sweet. I think it wasn't.
Big, like a
Wasn't
deep filling, yeah.
She got it from the Costco.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.